All right, folks, welcome back to another exhilarating episode where we're diving headfirst into the wild world of financial markets. Today, we're talking about navigating market currents, from bonds to Bitcoin. Doesn't that just sound thrilling? There's a ton happening in the macro environment, and believe me, it's a mixed bag.
Mixed bag? Are we talking about a treasure chest of goodies or a box of mysteries? There's got to be something exciting in there.
Exactly. Let's kick things off with the U.S. Treasury yields. Picture this. The 10-year yields are hovering around 4.0 to 4.02%, and the 2-year yields are roughly at 3.38 to 3.5%. That slight inversion in the curve? It's a sign we might be leaning into what I like to call moderate normalization. It's like, when your life has been chaotic, and finally, you get a chance to restore some order, right?
Moderate normalization? So it's like my living space after a massive spring cleaning? Or wait, are you saying the market is, like, tidying up its act? Laughs.
Exactly! You nailed it! Think of those messy rooms that just need a good scrub. A cleaner yield curve could signal that while things have been a bit tumultuous, we're starting to see some stability emerge. Now there's chatter in the markets about potential rate cuts in the upcoming year. It's like everyone is Buck Rogers, eagerly waiting for that glimpse of a brighter economic future.
Whoa, Buck Rogers? Like that space guy with all the futuristic gadgets? So are we predicting roller coaster changes for interest rates? Or more of a steady elevator ride?
Great analogy. I'd say it's more of a roller coaster with some periodic dips, but overall trending upward. The optimistic sentiment is creeping back in, with the VIX hanging around 17.2, suggesting that while we may encounter some risks, traders are feeling quite bullish in the short term. It's like discovering a hidden gem at a thrift store. Exciting, but still a little risky.
Hidden gems. Oh, I remember this one time I found a vintage record player. But how does that relate to our current stock market? Laughs.
Well, think of it like this. Just like that vintage record player, certain stocks can surprise you with their true value once you scratch the surface. For instance, take the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, priced currently at $624.95, with a nice daily gain of 0.72%. This optimism is fueled by a rebound in interest rates and no signs of an economic downturn. At least, not yet. So investors are banking on these companies holding steady, much like you'd depend on that vintage player to deliver some sweet tunes.
Okay, so the ETFs are like the popular hits, but are there smaller artists I should keep an eye on? Like indie bands? Laughs.
Absolutely. Small-cap stocks and sectors driven by AI and growth are stepping into the limelight, much like those indie bands bursting with talent. Take the QQQM, for example. It's trading at $252.92, up 0.91%. Companies like Tesla and Nvidia are soaring and driving that growth narrative, almost as if they're the headliners at a music festival, electrifying the crowd.
Wow. It's like watching the underdogs steal the show. But what's happening in the crypto space?
Let's shift gears and talk about the crypto kingdom. Right now, the Fear and Greed Index is chilling at 15, indicating extreme fear. It's a rather emotional state for investors. Sort of like being scared to jump into a cold pool, right? Bitcoin is around $90, 266, and it's up about 3.4% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum, sitting at $3, 022.66, has gained 2.6%. People are cautiously optimistic, much like waiting for that first wave of heat to rise before diving into summer.
So there's fear, but also a bit of excitement, like waiting for summertime to finally kick in? This is fascinating.
Exactly. And speaking of anticipation, there's a lot of buzz surrounding the upcoming investment roadmap from Coinbase Ventures for 2026. It's like mapping out a vacation to that dream destination. There's still a degree of cautious optimism among institutional players about the crypto boom in the coming years.
Interesting. So, should we be packing our bags for a potential crypto summer? Laughs.
Exactly. We're starting to spot some valid opportunities peeking through the fog, especially for long-term investors. It's crucial for us to keep our eyes peeled for those chances to jump in.
So there's hope on the horizon, but also a lot of uncertainty. It's like hiking a trail where you can't see the peak yet, but you're eager to reach the top.
Beautifully put. It's all about navigating through those twists and turns. So let's keep our conversation rolling. What strategies should investors consider in this shifting landscape?
I can't wait to hear more about those strategies. Are there specific things we should look for? Laughs.